How to add audio player in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple it is, and with some few steps you can add a audio player inside your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very easy. You're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and you're going to see the websites of yours. Click on websites list, and here you're going to select one of the websites. So for example, I'm going to click on edit website for that, and then we're going to see the website builder or Hostinger website builder appearing. So now if we're going to search for the elements, we're not going basically here to have an audio or a music player. We're going only to have a video, and that video is going to be from YouTube. You can go ahead and add a YouTube link for a music, let's say audio, or a audio playing, let's say song or something like that. But it is not going to be that professional. It is going to be obvious that it is from YouTube. But we can get the help of Elfsight, which is going to be a third-party platform that will help us to create widgets. So you can go ahead and have some widgets in here. For example, we're going to have widgets like here. You're going to scroll down a little bit until we see audio. We have audio player, background music, podcast player, and radio player. So we are going to choose here audio player. We're going to create one for free. I have already created a widget. So we are going to have this specific widget. We are going to edit it, and then we are going to install it. In the meanwhile, I'm going to head over the website of ours and add a specific section or a blank section. So we are going to put the player in here. I'm going to add a blank section, and I'm going to add a code or an embedded code in here. So basically, I'm going to put it to the middle, delete all the text that we have here, and we're going to head over here and see. Basically, you can see here that we have the tracks. We can modify them. You can upload or replace the tracks by uploading them, or you can go ahead and put some call to action buttons like the Apple Music, Spotify, music from YouTube, or downloading the tracks. So you can go ahead and add your own covers and also your own musics. So you can also add a track from an upload track or upload a track by link, YouTube Music, Vimeo, Wistia, and etc. So you can choose from these, and then you are going to have your track in here. You can select the layout as a embed or floating. So you can limit the pixel or the width of that specific player. Also, you can control the player by showing up the player controls, also the player info to display, and etc. You can put the autoplay or not. And then you can modify the styles of the, for example, dark or custom or something like that. You can modify the accent font or the accent color and the fonts and etc. When you finish, you're going to click on publish, and then you're going basically here to have the installation going on. So you are going to click on install, copy the code, paste your code, embed, boom. We're going to wait for it to the till the installation of the app. So maybe it is going to take a little bit of time for you to load up, and also maybe you are going to have here some more steps to do, which is going to maybe from time to time refresh the embed and refresh or recreate the app. Maybe it is going to have here some problems, so you're going to delete the widget and start it from scratch. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.